There's history to share, right to the top for those who dare. Oh, Saugeen Shores, the shores we call our home. Through shining suns, the seasons, and he-run storms. When Southampton sings, hearts come to play. Where history shines, the Chantry Way. Sails its island bound. The restored keepers, home to be found. Nearly 2 centuries old for groups to see and reflect on those lighthouse families. Through night and day, keeping sailors safe. Dangerous job, but a magical place. Oh, Saugeen Shores, the shores we call our home. Through shining suns, the seasons, and he-run storms. When Southampton sings, hearts come to play, and we bring history to life. The Chantry Way. At festival time, there's learning and fun. Climbing into the past, paddling under the sun. From the family time to evening revelry, it's a nautical weekend of community. And as the sun dips down and lanterns glow, there's even time travelers you'll get to know. Now to the market and sweet aromas in the air. Artisans crafting with skill and care. A place where handshakes and smiles never fade. Old friends connect and new friends are made. Where the waves meet the sky so blue, Chantry Lighthouse will help guide you. Your life journey shouldn't stop until you've climbed right to the top. For the tower also keeps the humanity we seek. In looking from above, you'll find this world we love. Oh, Saugeen Shores, the shores we call our home. Through shining suns, the seasons, and he-run storms. When Southampton sings, hearts come to play. We step up to make their day, bringing history to life. The Chantry Way. Oh, Saugeen Shores, the shores we call our home. Through shining suns, the seasons, and heave-run storms. When Southampton sings, hearts come to play. We step up to make their day, bringing history to life. The Chantry Way.